Finding the best cordless electric kettle can feel tricky when you just want fast boiling and easy use. The best cordless electric kettle gives you quick heat, safe pouring, and no tangled cords, which is perfect for busy mornings in most US kitchens. I've used cordless kettles for daily coffee and tea, and the freedom to lift and pour anywhere really matters. After testing many models and features, I know what works and what doesn't. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. ZWILLING Enfinigy 1.5-liter Electric Kettle Pro. The ZWILLING Enfinigy 1.5-liter Electric Kettle Pro feels premium the moment you use it. It heats fast and stays calm on the outside, thanks to the Cool Touch body, which I really appreciate on busy mornings. I like the clean control panel. The temp presets make it easy to brew green tea, coffee, or cocoa just right. The stainless steel interior feels hygienic and solid. Pouring is smooth and controlled. The Keep Warm mode helps when life gets distracting. It looks sleek on the counter and fits modern kitchens well. One thing to note is it needs hand washing, which may feel limiting for some. The price is also higher than basic kettles. Still, the performance feels steady and refined. For daily use with precision, it feels dependable and thoughtfully made. Number 4. Aigostar Electric Kettle 1500W Glass Electric Tea Kettle. The Aigostar electric kettle feels like a great everyday choice if you want fast boiling with a clean look. I like how quickly it heats water for tea or coffee during busy mornings. The borosilicate glass body feels sturdy and lets you see the water clearly, which builds trust. The blue LED lighting adds a calm glow and looks nice on the counter at night. Cordless pouring is smooth and easy. Safety is solid with auto shutoff and boil dry protection, so I feel relaxed using it. The large capacity works well for families or guests. One small downside is the glass gets hot, so care is needed. Still, for style, speed, and clear water visibility, this kettle feels simple, modern, and pleasant to use every day. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 1.7-liter Electric Kettle. The Hamilton Beach 1.7-liter electric kettle feels like a nice upgrade if you enjoy watching water heat. I like seeing the boil through the glass. It feels clean and reassuring. The glass LED glow adds a soft blue light that looks great on the counter, especially early mornings. Boiling is quick, which helps when coffee cannot wait. The built-in mesh filter keeps scale out of your cup, and that really helps with taste. Cordless serving makes pouring easy at the table. Safety feels solid with auto shutoff. One thing to note is the glass body gets warm, so care is needed. Still, for style, speed, and clear water visibility, this kettle feels simple, modern, and pleasant to use every day. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle. The Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle is a solid pick when you want fast hot water with no stress. I use it most mornings and it feels simple and dependable. The fast 1500W boil saves real time over the stove. Water is ready before I grab my mug. I also trust the auto shutoff, which helps on rushed days. The cordless design makes pouring smooth, and that blue light adds a calm touch. The stainless steel body looks clean on a US kitchen counter and feels built to last. The water window helps avoid spills. One small downside is the lid feels a bit tight at first. Still, for the price and ease, it earns its place. If you want the best cordless electric tea kettle for daily use, this one fits busy routines well. Number 1. Cuisinart PerfecTemp 1.7-liter Electric Kettle. The Cuisinart PerfecTemp 1.7-liter electric kettle is one of those kitchen tools you end up using every day. It heats fast, which helps on busy mornings. I love the 6 preset temps because green tea and coffee really taste better at the right heat. The 30-minute keep warm feature is great when I get distracted and forget to pour right away. The cordless base makes serving easy, and it truly feels like a best cordless electric kettle for home use. The handle stays cool and feels safe in hand. One small downside is the size. It takes more counter space. Still, the build feels solid and reliable. For families or frequent tea drinkers, this kettle makes daily routines smoother and more enjoyable. Final verdict. If I had to choose one kettle to recommend without hesitation, the Cuisinart PerfecTemp 1.7-liter electric kettle is my top pick overall. It feels refined, heats fast, and the preset temperatures make a real difference if you care about tea or coffee quality. For anyone who wants control and consistency, it's a smart long-term choice. That said, the Hamilton Beach electric tea kettle is a great option for a specific need. If you want something budget-friendly, simple, and fast for daily use, it gets the job done with zero fuss. Both are strong choices. Check the description links for current prices and full details, and pick the cordless electric kettle that fits your style and needs best.